Unit number 5 is multiple integrals, that means double integration and triple integration. First topic is double integration. Now in this first type is integration means I is equal to outer limits are from a to b and inner limits are functions of x, that is f1x to f2x, f of xy dx dy. That means when outer limits are here constants, outer limits are always constant. If inner limits are functions of x, inner limits are functions of x, then first integrate with respect to y. That is rule of double integration, taking x as a constant. Inner limits are functions of x, then first integrate with respect to y, taking x as a constant. And then second form is integration I is equal to outer limits are from c to d. C is a constant, d is also constant. Inner limits are f1y to f2y, that means these are functions of y, f of xy dx dy. Outer limits are constants again, c and d are constant. If inner limits are functions of y, inner limits are functions of y, then first integrate with respect to x, taking y as a constant. Now for example, first type, type 1, in double integration where limits are given. First type is limits are given. First example, evaluate integration from 0 to 1, integration from 0 to under root of 1 minus x square y dx dy. Now in this topic limits are given, outer limits are constant, that is 0 to 1. Inner limits are functions of x. Now here inner limits are functions of x. Inner limits are functions of x. Therefore, first integrate with respect to y, taking x constant. Therefore, first integration 0 to 1. Now because x is constant, don't integrate the term of x, that means x square is constant term as it is. Then first we have to integrate 0 to under root of 1 minus x square y dy, and the term we have to first integrate should be in bracket. First we have to integrate with respect to y first, therefore y term is only in bracket, dy should be first, and outside of the bracket is dx. X square is constant and it is multiplied, therefore we can take it outside. Now first here integrate only for this bracket y dy. Integration of y dy is y square by 2. Using this formula, 0 to 1, x square constant, therefore it is as it is. Then integration of y is y square by 2, limit from 0 to under root of 1 minus x square. So integration with respect to y is completed here, and dx as it is, because next time we will integrate with respect to x. Now integration is y square by 2. These are the limits. Now put here limits of y. Upper limit y is equal to under root of 1 minus x square, and lower limit is y is equal to 0. 0 to 1, x square as it is. Now put limits for this bracket. Limits, upper limit minus lower limit. At the place of y, put y is equal to under root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square. It is value of y, and y bracket square, therefore it is bracket square upon 2 as it is. This is for upper limit. Upper limit minus lower limit, minus value of y is 0. So y is equal to 0 here, therefore lower limit becomes 0 and dx as it is. Now solve this. Under root and bracket square means integration 0 to 1, x square as it is, root and bracket square. Root and bracket square, that means it get cancelled, that is this 1/2 we can take outside, 1/2. This is not in square, this is 1/2 outside. X square into square and root is cancelled, that is 1 minus x square and dx. Now first we integrate with respect to y, then we put limits, then remaining terms are now only in x. Now I is equal to 1/2 integration from 0 to 1. X square into 1 is x square minus x square into x square is x raised to 4 and bracket, then dx. Now terms are only in form of x and both the terms are separate, then integrate with respect to x. One-half constant. Now for integration, take this square bracket. Now for integration formula, use here integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Then integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5. Using formula x raised to integration of x raised to n dx, x raised to n plus 1 means x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, x raised to 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1, and limits 0 to 1. Now put here limits. Limits, upper limit of x is 1 and lower limit of x is 0. It's 1/2 x is equal to 1, that means 1 cube upon 3 minus x is equal to 1 again, means 1 raised to 5u by 5u. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Value of x is 0, so 0 upon 3 is 0, 0 upon 5 is 0, lower limit is 0, that is 1/2 in bracket. 1 cube means 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 5 is also 1 by 5u, that is equal to 1/2. LCM is 15. Then cross multiply, 5u into 1 is 5u minus 3 into 1 is 3. 5u minus 3 is 2 upon 15 and 2 cancel, that is 1 by 15. Answer is 1 by 15.